Good morning student. Once again welcome in maths class. So today we start our exercise number 1.6. In this exercise we compare the number, circle the smaller number, greater number, how we use the sign of greater, smaller and equal to, how we write in ascending order and descending order. So let's start. Firstly, we start our question number 1. The question number 1 is circle the greater number in each pair. Here, 2 number is given. We compare both the numbers and circle the greater number. The number which is greater, we circle that number. So, let's see how we compare. Here is 625. We compare the places. Firstly, we count the places. Here is ones, tens and hundred. There is also ones, tens and hundred. Clear? So here in 100 place there is 6 and in 100 place there is 7. So which one is greater? 7. When we read, it is 737 and it is 625. So which number is greater? Here 737 is greater. So we circle this greater number. Clear? Now part number B, 810 and 925. In 100 place there is 8. In 100 place there is 9. So which one is greater? 9 is greater. It's 925 and it is 810. So which is greater? It's 925. Clear? Now part number C, 736 and here is 834. Here in 100 place there is 8. In 100 place there is 7. So 8 is greater than 7. So which one is the greater? Here is 736. It is 834. So 834 is greater. We circle the greater number. Now the part number D. Count the places. Here is 1, tens, 100 and 1000. There is also ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In 1000 place there is 2 and in 1000 place there is 4. So which one is greater? 4. When we read, it is 2988 and here is 4841. Clear? Here in 1000 place 2 and in 1000 place there is 4. So 4 is greater. So which number is greater? It's 4841. Now part number E. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. There is also ones, tens, 100 and 1000. The places are same. 1000. Now in 1000 place there is 8 and in 1000 place there is 6. So which one is greater? 8 is greater. When we read this number, it is 8762 and 6697. So which number is greater? 8762. So in this way we compare the number. Which number is greater? We see here the places. In this place, 1000 place there is 8. In 1000 place there is 6. So which one is greater? 8 is greater. Clear? So we circle the 8762. This is all about your question number 1. Okay? Okay, now we start our question number 2. Circle the smaller number in each pair. In this question, we circle the smaller number. Question number 1, we circle the greater number, and question number 2, circle the smaller number. See, we compare the places here. At 100 place there is 3 and 100 place there is 4. So which one is greater? 4 is greater. Clear? When we read this number, it is 381 and it is 401. So which one is smaller number? 381. Clear? Now part number B, 331 and 384. See here, In 100, ones, tens, 100, 1, 10 and 100. In 100 place, both the number are same. In 100 place there is 3. In 100 place there is also 3. So what we do? How we compare? We compare the tens place there. Here is 3. Here is 8. So which one is greater? In tens place here is 8. So this is greater. So here is 3. This is smaller. So which one is smaller? It's 331 is a smaller number and 384 is greater number. So we circle 331. Clear? Now part number C, 1060 and 1064. Let's see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now see here, in 1000 place, both there is 1. In 100 place, there is 0. And in tens place, there is 6. There is 6. So in 1000, 100 and tens place, there is 1, 0 and 6. It means all are equal. So we see here in ones place. In ones place there is 0 and in ones place there is 4. So which one is smaller? 0. Here is 1060 and it is 1064. So 1060 is a smaller number. Clear? Now part number D. It's 2106 and it is 2102. In 1000 place there is 2, so there is also 2. Clear? Now in 100 place there is 1, there is also 1. Clear? Now in tens place there is 0, there is also 0. It means in 1000, 100 and tens, all the digits are same. Clear? But in ones place there is 6 and there is 2. So which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. Clear, students? So when we read, it's 2106 and 2102. So this is the smaller number. Clear? Now part number E, 8975 and 9857. See the 1000 place. Here is 8, here is 9. So which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. So we circle the smaller number. This is your question number 2. Circle the smaller number. Clear, all of you? Now the question number 3 is put the symbol of greater, less or equal. Clear? In the given boxes. It means we compare the number and we put the sign in the boxes. So firstly I am telling you the symbol. This is the for greater than. So this symbol we used for greater than. This symbol is used for less than. And this is the symbol of equal. This is used for equal to. Now let's see. Part number A, 3698 and 8639. So which is greater? 8639. Clear? So we use this symbol, greater. Clear? Now 5019 and 1059. So 5000 is greater. Clear? So we use the symbol of greater. Now 3806 and 3806. Both are